Do you want to add AI assistance into your coding workflow using VS Code? I'll show you how to set up Cursor AI in just a few minutes. Before anything else, make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed. If you don't, just head to their official website, download it for your specific operating system, and simply finish the installation. Once that's done, open up VS Code and make sure everything is running normally. Now, let's add Cursor AI. Go to the Extensions panel on the left, or press Ctrl-Shift-X to open it quickly. In the search bar, type in Cursor AI. When it shows up, click Install and give it a few seconds to finish. After installing, click on the Cursor AI icon in the sidebar. From there, sign into your account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Once you're logged in, take a quick look at the settings. You can tweak how the AI behaves, change shortcuts, and adjust how much it will help you while coding. Now you're ready to use it. Start writing or editing your code, and Cursor AI will begin suggesting improvements in real time. You can also open the built-in chat, like fixing errors or explaining parts of your code. And that's it. You've got Cursor AI running inside VS Code. It's a simple setup, but it can seriously speed up your workflow. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.